Have you ever wondered how to get started with day trading? Well, today we are going to demystify this process and set you on the path to potentially profitable trading experiences. Day trading, in essence, is a style of financial trading where you buy and sell a financial instrument within the same day. This could be stocks, forex, commodities, or even cryptocurrencies. The aim? To profit from short-term price fluctuations. So, how does one jump into this exciting world? Let's break it down into manageable steps. Firstly, understand that knowledge is power. Before making any trades, arm yourself with as much information as possible. This includes understanding market trends, financial news, and technical analysis. There are countless resources available online, including ebooks, webinars, and online courses that can help you grasp these concepts. Secondly, decide on the type of day trading you want to do. This could be trend trading, where you follow the market trend, or counter-trend trading, where you trade against the trend. Each has its own set of risks and rewards, so choose wisely. Next, you'll need to choose a trading platform. This is where all your trades will be executed. Look for one that is reliable, user-friendly, and has strong security measures in place. Now let's talk about capital. It's crucial to start with an amount you're willing to lose. This isn't to say that you will lose it, but trading is a risky business and it's important to be prepared for all outcomes. Once you've got your platform and capital sorted, it's time to start trading. But wait, not so fast. Start with a demo account first. This allows you to practice your strategies without risking real money. After you've gained confidence and experience, it's time to go live. Always remember, start small, keep your emotions in check, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Finally, always keep learning. The financial markets are constantly changing, and to stay ahead, you need to adapt and evolve. So, let's recap. To start day trading, you need to arm yourself with knowledge. Decide on a type of trading. Choose a platform. Determine your starting capital. Practice on a demo account, and finally, go live. But remember, the learning doesn't stop there. Day trading may seem intimidating, but with the right approach, it can be an exciting and potentially profitable activity. So don't wait. Start your day trading journey today. Remember, the key to successful day trading is knowledge, discipline, and continuous learning. So keep learning, keep trading, and who knows, you might just become the next big thing in the world of day trading.